welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Ome TV app on Android. Yes, so first thing you have to do is go install the Ome TV app on your Play Store or Apple Store. You're just going to search for Ome TV and you're going to see it. Click on the install button and install it. Once it's installed, click on open and you're going to open up the app. So once you open it up, this is the first thing you're going to see. You're going to see allow to send notifications. So you can choose to click on don't or allow. So I'm going to choose don't. So, and first thing you have to notice is where it says I confirm that I am at least 18 years old. So you have to click on that. It's automatically. So you can see it right here. After that, you're going to either choose to start up to continue with Facebook or with your Google. So I'm just going to use my Google simply. Once you click on Google, you choose any Gmail of your choice and you continue, and it's going to sign you in immediately. So it doesn't take long time to do that. So you just select all to see your gender and download your exact date of birth as well. So click on continue and you're good to go. So this is the next one. You have to actually allow it to take pictures and record a video. Yes, and also audio and also phone calls. So once you do this, you can see the first thing you're going to notice is the camera flip right below your screen. Right below your screen. Yes, down there. So you can flip it backwards just like this for it to turn to the other side. And next thing you have to notice is the gender right above. You can see you can change it to male or female, and also click on your country to change to any country of your choice that you're actually from, or you can just pick for all countries, I guess. So afterwards, you have to go right above your screen. You're going to see the settings icon. Click on settings icon right there, and you're going to see languages. Pick on any language of your choice, and also you're going to see user agreement. So you can just go through it to know the user agreement, so that you can know things they're going to show to the public and the rest of that. Next thing is the service rule, which is the chat rule. So rules you're going to abide to: be polite, don't insult, and the rest of that. It's so many, so you have to go through them to know what to do and what not to do. Afterwards, you can see they have logout. Maybe once you're through, you can just log out or just delete your profile. So now for the main thing, how to actually start it up, you just have to scroll to the other side and it's going to start connecting.